Okay, everybody. I thought I would do just a quiz review really quick to help you get ready for the Chapter 8 quiz. So I am not going to share the screen on this one, obviously, but for this quiz, you need to make sure you know who the first woman was ever nominated for president. The nominee for president is a major party. You should know that the Republican Party, I think we talked about this, was the first major anti-slavery party. You should also know the other name for the winner-take-all system. You should know what proportional representation is. We talked about this, about getting more parties involved. You should know who uses or what's the job of the state central committee, or sometimes the state executive committee. You might want to say that version. You need to know, give me 1 second here, which states use the top 2 primaries. There's one that doesn't. Make sure you know that. Hang on just a second. You need to know, I'm trying to find what I'm looking for here. You need to know the impact of negative campaigning. It's actually very effective. I mean, if you watch TV, you'll see negative campaigning all over the place. You should know that negative campaigning has been around really forever in the United States. I mean, when you go back to John Adams, it was pretty bad. You should know how much a senator has to raise every week to try to run for re-election. You should know who James Carville and Roger Ailes are. And you should know how important negative campaign ads are. And you should know the main battleground for votes is that middle ground. That's where you're trying to find the most votes. It's what we call the undecided voter. And of course, how do you reach those undecided voters? You reach them mainly through television ads. You're not using radio because it doesn't reach as many people. TV is the way you go if you're trying to reach voters. You've got to use TV. And it's really one of the reasons of the high cost of campaigning in the United States is because of television. As you can imagine, it's expensive to run ads. It makes you wonder how much money that TV stations actually get. So media ads are going to be the most expensive part. So that's just a real quick brief review. Make sure that you read the chapter carefully so that you're ready. So I'm going to post it.